did you know that in Morocco you may borrow French verbs and conjugate them in Darija? You may see these verbs especially in the world of social media. So for example, if someone sends you like a friend request, you may say أنا acceptitek. Acceptitek, it means I accepted your follow request. وانت علاش ما acceptitiniش? And you, why didn't you accept me? Why didn't you accept my follow request? People get very angry if you don't accept them on social media. Another interesting one, أنا كومنتيت ليك, I left your comment. وانت علاش ما كومنتيتيش ليا? Why didn't you comment? Why didn't you leave me a comment? غادي نبلوكيك. That's it. صافي سالينا. غادي نبلوكيك. ما كومنتيتيش ليا. صافي سالينا. I hope this video was in some way useful for you. Maybe it's just for fun. تحية من روما 40 درجة. احتفظ ضل. And I will see you in the next one.